Graciously set within a generous 1,745 square meter plot, this splendid villa offers an impressive 174 square meters of luxury, just 200 meters from Acharavi Beach. This villa is the perfect fusion of family comfort, elegance, and idyllic surroundings. The living room exudes warmth, making it the perfect gathering spot for cherished moments with loved ones. An open-plan diner and fully equipped kitchen becomes the perfect place for culinary adventures with the family. A beautifully crafted spiral staircase takes you to one of the upstairs ensuite bedrooms, with a front and rear balcony looking out to the small ensuite bedroom cottage. The downstairs master bedroom, complete with fireplace, sets the stage for cozy winter nights and includes a balcony at the rear looking onto the impeccably landscaped lush green grass garden and a view to the pool. Here, serenity harmonizes with opulence, and the gentle sound of waves nearby invites you to unwind in the magical oasis where family moments come alive for all age groups. Ascending the outside staircase, we explore a further 2 elevated, generously appointed bedrooms, providing a haven for family comfort and privacy. This villa in Acharavi epitomizes the perfect blend of comfort, elegance, and idyllic surroundings. Don't miss your chance to call this enchanting property your own. Contact Roula Rouva Real Estate today and explore the possibilities to secure your dream retreat.